Okay, yeah. I'm trying to play a normal game of Fortnite, and this dude's like trying to troll me. Are you British actually? You sound like freaking Mary Poppins' son.
Who the hell is Mary Poppins?
Mary Poppins is your mom.
I just found out. I have to call the police. It's not a secret. I have to call the police.
Your mom goes wee all the way.
Like, well, I'm actually really don't want to do a voice anymore, actually.
So you were trolling me, you fucking bitch. Is Mary Poppins your mom? No wonder you... Oh shit! You're in the chain smoker? Who are you, bro? Who's your mom? So what's your name, Dairy Poppins? What the fuck? Your name is Jimmy. Can I call you Jimmy Neutron? Oh, so I can't call you Jimmy Neutron. You! You're Jimmy Neutron.
No, man. You got some trouble, mate. You got some trouble, like seriously, man.
Are you guys doing drugs like...
Seriously, my little brother's an asshole. So I got onto my PlayStation. I think I've been got to replace him.
Yo, one of you come to Loot Lake. I just want to tell you a secret, Jimmy. Are you good at keeping... Hey, Jimmy, are you good at keeping secrets? What? What is it? Jimmy? You have V-Bucks?
Yes, these men gave me them because they told me to do it.
Wow, you want some more V-Bucks?
No.
You don't like V-Bucks? How come?
Because they stink.
Are you on drugs, sir? Sure. What's your name?
I told you, Jimmy.
Jimmy what?
Jimmy.
Jimmy what?
Jimmy.
The fuck? Your name is Jimmy?
Yes.
Then how? I thought your name should be like Jimmy Poppins because your mom's Mary Poppins.
No, I'm Jimmy. My mom's a bitch, so I just take her name.
Wait, what's your mom?
She's a bitch.
Yeah. I hate your. Wait. Give me a note to your mom. Tell your mom.
I'm gonna say she's gonna smack me about one.
Yo, tell your mom that her movies fucking suck.
Mom, your movie sucks. What did you say to me, Mom? You think my movie sucks? I'm gonna kill you, Mom. Why did you
Tell Tell your mom it was from a friend of mine.
Mommy, it was kind of fun of mine.
Say her movies.
Tell him I'm gonna do this fucking ass. Oh, say it once, you say it once, you're gonna beat your ass. You better run, you better run. You better run anywhere.
Is your mom? Do you like Mary Poppins?
That's my mom, but no, I don't want to. She ate all my chocolate bars.
Oh, she ate all your chocolate bars?
Yes, she's a fat piggy. Uh-oh, she's all better again. You better run, you better run, you better run, you better run.
Is your mom there right now?
I just told you, she didn't tell you.
Tell your mom I live on Fuck You Street.
Mommy, you're taking this on fucking street. Tell him I'm gonna wipe his fucking ass all the time. I'm looking out. Come on, what's funny?
Okay, tell your mom I also live on Your Mom's a Whore Street.
Mommy, this is not funny, but she's bigger than fucking Mom Horse.
Right.
He's gonna fucking die. I swear down. He's gonna fucking die.
Tell your mom she is a whore.
Mommy, you are a prostitute. I want to smack your fucking ass and dig in the bed and turn your console off. Mommy, please.
Oh,
I'm actually fucking bored. I just do the stuff one. But yes, I watch comedy. Like, oh yeah.
yo, Jimmy, tell your mom she sucks at her job.
Dude, did you not hear me?
What the fuck?
I said yeah, I'm trolling.
Who are you? Does your mom know Tinkerbell?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Dude, listen. I'm doing all the voices.
I know.
I'm just bored on the end.
I know. You're also gonna be on YouTube.
Like, what the hell, dude? We said act like a default, not build like a fucking man.
Yo, you're gonna be on YouTube, by the way.
Cool.
Oh yeah, I was bored too. You know, I just feel like a man. Happy time.
Everything about you gonna be a little skew. Come here, Rosie.
I'm bored. I just get bored on the end.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, why do you guys have?
When I'm bored, I just play playgrounds.
Wait, why do you guys have things up your ass? Are you guys gay? Then why do you have things up your ass?
What do you mean?
Hi, mommy!
Yeah, I think it's fun.
I still see shadows in
That's
Yo.
not the first time I've been on YouTube, though. Loads of people want me on YouTube that do voices.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
You don't?
I
Are
wish I
you,
did, though.
are you actually from England?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Did you go to the KSI fight?
We Okay?
Did you go to the KSI fight?
No, I watched it live.
Oh. Yo, Logan Paul is the best.
What you say? Nah. I mean,
Yo, Deji had no chance against Jake, by the way.
The first Street Fighter though, Deji started box. Deji only started training. He's never done boxing in his life. As Jake actually done fighting.
Yeah, but like Jake Paul has more like training than him.
Where are you though, dude?
I'm at Vikings.
really that far.
I was like looking for you. I just feel like because I'm bored over there. Don't know what the fuck I built.
Oh my god, watermelon!
Essentially, the one who I added, I forgot your name.
Oh, dinosaur.
Hey, can you add me?
No.
How do you, bro, how do you do that voice?
Practice.
Oh, can you do an Irish voice? What the fuck? Yo, you can't be making fun of them because I'm kind of like Irish and I'll beat your ass up. So like.
Translate something, bro.
What?
Britain.
Aren't you gonna eat your chili?
We own half of Ireland, so. Yeah, you know.
You should go and eat your chili, motherfucker.
What you say?
You should go home and eat your chili.
We should go back home, bitch. You need to feel the fucking chili like your mommy needs you.
Yo, I'm about to shove that chili so far up your ass, you'll be bleeding chili for the next 2 months.
I'm not all that person.
You know, your mom's a whore.
Maybe let me go get my friend, and he might.
Okay, go get your friend. You want my digits so you can call me?
What's the name?
You want me to give you my phone number so you can call me? Okay. My digits are, yo, fuck you. Your life.
Hold on. Let me go get your number. Hold on.
No, it's 12, fuck you, 65, kill yourself, 39, no one likes you, 7.
Hold on. Let me search you. Hold on.
And my controller dies.
0121 369, okay.
Your mom's a whore, no one loves you, fuck you, and kill yourself.
I'm reading the number right now. Okay, hold on.
Yo, you can't kill me.
You can't kill what's already dead.
I rang it, but no answer. There's something exciting outside of the night.
Are you still at the Viking?
No. Thanks for all your loot, by the way. I took all your ammo. Yo, Frank Sinatra.
listen to me. If you think I'm annoying, clap your hands. Thank you.
If your mom's a bloody whore, clap your hand.
So guys, today I heard a bang in my house. I'm actually lonely in my house right now. Wait there. If you're here to kill me, clap your hands. Oh fuck, run.
If you're here to touch my dick, clap your hands. Yo, Frank, do you have any emotes?
I've got a good idea. Right, I've got a good idea. Very good idea. Every single person kills you when they're in no house.
Ah, the black man!
Oh, hey there. Hey there, Johnny. Hey, look, bitch.
Bye, Nikki. Woo! Oh, fuck. If your name is John Depp, suck my dick.
You can shoot me.
What the fuck?
Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me.
I'm